Hi, my name is Sinai Fallon.
Hi, my name is Nala Smith.
And we both attend Honeywell Innovation Academy. I want to give a shout out to Ayana for her great work and her ideas on our Care Kit project.
Because we are a high transient school, she has unfortunately moved away.
Shout out!
Shout out!
My teammates and I chose to do this project of a Care Kit because of the needs of the homeless around the city of Atlanta. And leading towards the end of the video, me and my partner are going to be showing you guys how our Care Kit works. The materials we used for our Juno project were keypads, servos,
LED screen, and buttons.
Some of the items we chose to put in there were a toothbrush, toothpaste, punchos,
and we have soap, rags, and socks. A person will go to an agency and receive a code and come back to the caretaker and receive something.
And you shouldn't have to feel like you lost your dignity just because you're in need. And this is why we chose to use a code. If Manny walked up to my caretaker and typed in his code and pressed the button of the item that he wanted, it will carefully and nicely come out. For example, if there was a rainy day, we could use this puncho. If we had more time, a couple of things I would like to change
is a glass door
and having more items to give.